Hi there, it's raining Fire TVs. Yes, today we have the Oneda 43-inch Fire TV Edition 2021. Not only that, this one is KY Rock Edition, which means it comes with powerful backfiring speakers. Now I've been using this for a couple of days, so let's straight dive into the review. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend TechSing. Let's get started. So starting with the build, they come with really slim bezels, they have a matte grey finish and give an illusion of metal. It's good quality plastic and really thin. At the bottom we have the Oneda branding. The stands are also made of plastic but are wider than most 43-inch TVs I've seen, also sturdier. Now the back is made of plastic and right on the top you can see the KY Rock speakers. Now these you will get only if you buy this TV offline from a store. Online you will get the regular 20-watt built-in speakers. I haven't tested those, but a friend of mine got an online variant of this TV and said that they sounded pretty decent. Also you get a wall mount unit attached to this TV, you can see it here. However, you don't have to worry, a technician will come for setup and installation. Now there are some wires that you see under the speakers, so you can basically detach the speakers if you wanted to, which you can do if you're gonna connect a soundbar or a home theater system. But again, still why would anyone remove? It's not blocking or saving any space. Neither can you use these speakers separately for any other purpose, so it's not going to help. However, I would have preferred if these wires were concealed inside. Coming to the ports, thankfully all are on one side, which makes it extremely convenient to reach even when the TV is wall mounted. You have 3 HDMI ports, 3.5 headphone jack, antenna, AV composite, Ethernet and 1 USB port. Now one USB port might seem like less, and there's no denying it is less. I would have preferred at least 2. But I was just thinking, when was the last time I plugged in 2 pen drives on the TV at the same time? Maybe never. So one USB port should be workable. Luckily we have 3 HDMI ports, out of which 1 supports ARC, so you have enough input ports. Now here is the Oneda TV remote, just like we see with the Fire TV stick, with some added more features and functions. You also have hotkeys to access some of your favorite apps, D-pad to navigate, and the Alexa button on the top for voice commands. Pretty simple, easy to use Bluetooth remote. Alright, so the unit we have here is a 43-inch Full HD VA panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The color reproduction is super vibrant and eye-catchy, almost like a QLED. Oneda claims 300 nits peak brightness and it shows. Bright images, hence the text is clear and the videos look really crisp. It has a contrast ratio of 3000:1 and it provides good deep blacks as well. Viewing angles aren't the best. There is a slight shift in color, but we see that with most VA panels. You'll be good to go up to 45 degrees. The colors can further be tuned as per your choice in the picture settings. Here is a pure black screen. Couldn't notice any light bleed from the edges. Alright, coming to the OS. Well, that's the biggest pro of this TV. It's running the Fire TV OS that we see on all Fire TV sticks. Basically, you can say it's built in with better integration. You can see the row of the apps on the top, and below are the tiles of content from multiple platforms. And here is a row for all the input sources. Going to the apps tab on the top and you get loads of apps, including all your favorite ones like Netflix, Prime Videos, Hotstar, YouTube and so many more. In fact, it even comes with an Apple TV app that we don't see on many budget Android TVs. Again, that is if you're an Apple TV subscriber, it's going to be helpful. But it has all the apps that you're going to need. The best part is all apps are optimized for a TV experience. Now it comes with 1 GB RAM, which might seem less, but since Fire TV OS isn't that resource hungry, the user interface is buttery smooth. Not even a hint of lag. Check this out. Internal storage, however, is just 8 GB, out of which only 4 GB is usable. So you might struggle to download games as most of them require a lot of space. But if you're going to download only apps, then 8 GB should be sufficient. I tested some OTT apps like Netflix and Hotstar and they work pretty fine. including YouTube as well. Now all videos will max out at 1080p, there is no 4K video support here. But the real fun is Prime Videos. Not that it supports 4K, but the user experience is like no other. Smoothest of all. After all, Fire TV OS is from Amazon, so it's kind of expected. Now this doesn't mean that other apps weren't as good, but Prime Video's app ain't this good on any other device, except Fire TV devices. It's just amazing. I also played some content from my pen drive and all local files played very well. I installed the VLC player and played these files, even 4K videos played. But of course, wouldn't matter because the panel is full HD. It also comes with Bluetooth support, so you can pair your wireless headphones easily. It also comes with Alexa built-in, so you can ask it to open apps, you can ask it to play the music of your choice, the weather, and you can also control your Alexa controlled home devices directly from the TV remote. If you're already on the Echo ecosystem, this one is going to be ideal. Alright, coming to the sound, let's play some audio from the KY Rock speakers. Wow, that was much better than I expected. The backfiring speakers create a really good surround sound effect as well. They get loud enough, punchy audio with decent lows. Now don't expect a soundbar kind of experience, but it's more like loud and dynamic. Great for watching movies and casual music listening. The KY Rock Edition is only available at offline stores and costs 2000 rupees more than the regular built-in speaker variant. The Oneida Fire TV Edition without the KY Rock can be bought from Amazon website for 26,999. Which means the KY Rock Edition will be available for 28,999. Now if you already have a soundbar, I suggest you can consider the regular one. If you are on a budget, you can also consider the Oneida Fire TV Edition 2020, which isn't much different but a generation older. You can grab that for just 21,999. Yes, the 43-inch Full HD variant, which I believe is a steal. I've even made a detailed video on it. If you'd like to watch that, you can click the card up here. I'll also leave the link for that video in the description. Alright, final thoughts. Let's see the pros and cons, starting with the cons. So viewing angles are just okay, the KY Rock speaker management could have been a little better, and 8GB internal storage might be a problem for some. But looking at the pros, the biggest one being the Fire TV OS. It's a delight. It's the best TV OS according to me. Actually, best is very subjective. I'll say it's the most well-optimized OS for the TV. Then it has all the OTT apps and games, a good VA display panel, all the ports, it's got mirroring, Alexa on board. It's really a good TV to consider if you're looking for a 43-inch smart TV. I'll leave the links for both the 2021 edition and the previous 2020 edition variant in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feedback or complaints, mention it down in the comments. All are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.